Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Good Time Gal. Today is not about a national holiday. I know you all are so ready to know. I'm sure it is one, and whatever it is, I hope that you cook and you have the time of your life. But today we want to talk about something that's really important, and I feel that is something you may want to learn about, because here at Good Time Girl, we're always learning and we're always making sure that we are on top of our food game as well as our standards in general. A lot of these videos are always about me cooking, but you very seldom get to see me doing cleanup. And there is quite a lot of cleanup that goes on in my home, as well as after I cook, before I cook, and during the cooking. There is a trend that has been going strong, I would say, since 2016, and that is all natural kitchen products. It's true. So if you have known me for more than a minute, you know that I am all about sustainability. And one way to sustain our environment is to make our own kitchen cleaning products. And sometimes we can come up with a product that's more gentler for our surfaces, our counters, things of that nature. We also want to remember that 2020 has brought to our attention that we can also get stress related allergies. I have a few friends who did not have any allergies, and then they got stressed out, and then all of a sudden, oh, you have an allergy. So we always want to be mindful about that. So today in this tutorial, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a recipe that is on my blog, Good Time Gal Spring Cleaning Edition. I've left the link in my post, so feel free to check it out. So what a lot of people don't understand is vinegar, although it is a natural ingredient, it is a great cleaning ingredient. This is great for windows, line scale, mildew. Vinegar, before Mr. Clean came around, before Dawn came around, we had vinegar. So you're gonna need vinegar, rubbing alcohol, water, and a spray bottle. I'm using this one. I believe it says 24 to 32 ounces because you're going to be mixing as you go, right? This is really easy. So I'm going to use 2 cups of water. And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of each. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of alcohol. And you want it to be rubbing alcohol, okay? And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now, if you wanted to add like maybe a little lavender oil or lemon oil or orange zest oil, you could do that, because orange zest is really great property for this. So now that I do that, got our spray bottle. Almost filled it. Then I always like to check to make sure that it sprays. So yes, we're good. So now I have my own shower cleaner. I did this less than 5 minutes, and all of this is something that you have in your kitchen, and you can do this for free. So thanks for hanging out with me.